All right, guys, you're welcome back to the Trading View. My name is Ifeanyi Ruben, and I'll be taking you on this tutorial, but we'll be standing more on the basics of Trading View and also how to use the various tools on the Trading Views. But Trading View has a lot of tools and a lot of things to learn because it has combination of so many markets. And if you want to study more about it, we I will advise you to go to YouTube. There's so many videos out there to get the stuffs done for you. So in this training, I will walk you through the TradingView platform. Quite all right. So to get started, you just have to go to this website here, tradingview.com, and sign up. However, I will leave a link in the description and I suggest you use the link to sign up. Reason is because if you sign up with the link and later upgrade your account, trust me, we both will earn $30. Right, you earn $30, I earn $30. But if you choose not to sign up, we did not earn, so you stand to lose nothing and also stand to lose nothing. But if you use the link below the description on this video, you will be making $30 whenever you decide to upgrade. All right, so when you go to TradingView, all you need to do is to click on the sign up button that will be showing, though I've already logged in. So fill in your data, complete the registration, verify your account, and logged in. Just like my here, you can see that I'm already logged in here. So TradingView has a lot, like I've said before, but I'll pick the basics and I'll go with it because they are more important to your trading career and of course to our course that I'll also be leaving the link to the website below this description. But if you really want to know more about TradingView, I urge you to go to YouTube and search for each of them, and you would really we gain a lot, especially those of us that will be taking it as trading as our career. So it is very important you get use and master TradingView tools perfectly for your own good. All right, so first off, you can look at the TradingView here. This is the front phase of it. You can see a lot of news. You want to read all this. This was an article that published 26 minutes ago. All right, so oil price tick down as inflation woes take center stage. All right, so this is someone who just did analysis. This person is already on the pro section and is on premium. He just gave analysis of the Bitcoin update. You can learn a lot here. You can see 817 likes and 119 comments, and so many other persons here too. All right, so there's so many things you will learn on this place. Like, trust me, there are so many. So you can come back here to go to their snaps on your Essential 20 Markets Digest. Right, your Essential 20-second market digest. You can come down here and read all this for free for yourself. Then you want to search more on their product, chart screen, heat map, then community, market. All right, on the market, we see all the market we have here. The market starts from our countries. We talk about stocks, crypto, forex, indices, future bonds, world economy. So it's very, very important. TradingView has a lot, like I said before, to really add brokers. You can look at the brokers that are listed on TradingView, BitFST, right? You have currency.com, all right? So then you want more, you can easily check all these out. But without further ado, we are going into crypto, right? So click on the search section here. Click on the search section here. We're already in crypto. Now you can see all, if you want stock, if you want oil, if you want futures, you want forex. If you click on forex, you see the currency pair or fiat currency pairs. You look at the exchanges, you can also trade them. But here in crypto, you can see Bitcoin USDT, Bitcoin USD, US dollar. This is Theta, that is USDT. This is normal US dollar. All right, on Bitstamp. So you can see the exchanges you will be trading them. So I am trading on Binance exchange, so I will prefer choose here. But in case you are not comfortable, you want to search for other coins, you can look for like stocks. You can see the pairs. If you want to look for a Ethereum, you can see the pairs. All right, so each of the coins are all here, but make sure you select crypto before. Let's say you click on Ethereum to start with. Oh, something did here. All right, so this is hardly how the trading view looks like. So this is a chart, Ethereum chart, and this is exactly how you see a chart. So on this course, I'll be focusing more on the stuffs here you are seeing at the top, and this trading view tools. Trading view has more tools than Atani I did before. So on trading view, there's so many tools you can utilize here, and you make a lot of to help you analyze your market perfectly. And if you go up and upgrade for the premium pro versions, there are many more tools will be unveiled to you to use. All right, so first off, I'll be starting from here. That looks like a menu button, and you can see Yibeni, that is my name. And of course, you can click on profile setting, accounts and billing if you want to subscribe. Then refer a friend, like I said before. We click on refer a friend, you will see my referral link here, and this referral link is what I will drop below. And also get up to $30 for every friend you refer. Did you get it? You and your friend, whoever had a TradingView account previously, we get up to $30 each after the upgrade to paid plan. Complete the detail in terms and condition. Right, so that means if I register before you and you use my link, or I used your link, whoever, just know that you are earning $30 the moment you upgrade. All right, so that is that. Then next thing again I want to show you here is the color. I usually love dark colors, but this is the default color you will be meeting. Right, so for you to remove that, you can come back here, go to color theme, dark color theme. I will choose it, then it becomes dark. This is more perfect, unique, clearer. With this, you have a better view on the chart. Then you want to rename Ethereum USDT. Here is it. You can actually rename it and give it any name you want to use. You can also create a new layout. All right, so we won't be going in far there. Let's start with what we have. So this is the pair we have here, Ethereum USDT pair. So this is a compare or add symbol. If you want to add or compare to this Ethereum, then here is your time frame. You see here are various time frames you can trade to analyze your market. This is 1 minute time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. Right, now this is 1 week time frame. Right, whenever you see this on your chart, you know it's not clear. Right, it's bigger than the screen, so please come here and click auto. Right, I click auto here, so it's now on your screen fully. Just click on auto. All right, so come back, I put it on 4-hour. All right, so there's something again you need to know here. You know, we have, let's say you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hour, 4 hour, we don't have 5, and you want to trade on 5-hour candlesticks. What you need to do is to come down here, put in 5, then change it to hour. You can change to days if you want to, weeks, months, 5 months. So once you've done that, you click on add. But this option is for those that have upgraded to a higher plan. Right, so look at it. That is the only way. I'm already on basic. So if you want pro plus or premium, just click here, and it's for 30 days free first. All right, So this is, and you just, but if you want to go up, you can upgrade, but just 30 days. And after 30 days, you start paying. This is also a candlestick. Now you have seen different types of candlestick. On our candlestick chart on our course, remember I said there are so many of them, but I just picked the line, the bar chart, and the candlesticks. You want to check out the columns, this is how it looks. If you want to check out hollow candles, this is how it looks. If you want to check out areas, this is how it looks. At least with this, you can see area of support and resistance, see the trend, but you cannot identify the actual candlesticks that is trending to know if you're having a buy pressure or the bulls are taking over the market or the bears. All right, so I brought it back to candlesticks. If you want the bar chart, this is the bars candlestick. There is a bar chart. So you open it more so you see what I used to show. So what makes it bar is this line, the opening and closing. This closed here and opened here, closed here, open here. So the bar indicates the opening or closing price of that particular market, like Ethereum USDT market, at a given time frame, which is the 2 hour time frame. So meaning this represents 2 hours. So 2 hours ago, this opened and closed there after 2 hours, opened there and closed there after 2 hours. Right. So, but we're going back to the candlesticks because remember we did candlestick pattern, the story they tell, what the types of candlesticks, psychology behind them. You will know that it's very, very important for us to always use candlesticks. Okay, here are indicators, but before I come back here, let's quickly go back. Here is a rewind. If I click rewind there, it will bring me back to the last place I clicked, which is the bar chart. That's why it shows you already. Here is the bar, it will replay back to. Then alert is, if I don't want to set alert at a particular time, I want to set an alert at a particular closing value price, I will just use here and create the alert. Right, if I want to set it here, I will just create it and the line will just display. So this is how to do it. Then here is to undo what I've done before, like click here, it will just undo it back. Okay, then here are the various tools we'll be talking about on this candlestick, right? Okay, so let's start with here. This is your cursor section. This is cross cursor, this is dots. If I want it to be showing dots instead of showing my normal cursor, if I want it to be showing cross, which is this, then if I want it to be showing arrow, which is this one, if I want it to be showing me eraser, which is this one, but I will still return it back to cross because of, so I can be able to pick the price and the time at the same time. You can see the time and the month below here, and you can also see the price here. So for me, this is better, and this is the general one every trader will likely use. Okay, so the first one here we are seeing is the trend line. We use it to draw a trend and support and resistance, different stuff. So what you do is to click here, you can see trend line, arrow, ray, info lane, extended line, triangle, trend angle, horizontal line, just so many of them. So let's check out this trend line. Are we seeing a trend market here? Of course, this is a trending market. Let's look at the ending part of the market. Let's not just go to one that's done before. So this is area of, sorry. Okay, so this is a trend line here, right? Yes. This is a trend line. This one will take us up here. Okay, so this is a trend line. This is how to use it to draw the trend. Then as well, you can change colors. If you want to change the colors, if you want to change it to green, you click use here. If you want red, if you want to change to blue, all right. Do you want to change it? You want it to be a dash line? Do you want to make it a dotted line? Do you want to make it a normal line? Then do you want to increase the size? You can make it bigger. can make it more bigger. These are the options you have here. Then this is also a setting you can use to come and check how you want to extend the left line, the right line, the same. You want to add the dots, and so many of them. You want to add a text to it. So there's so many you can also do with it. Then do you want to lock it that you cannot be able to move it around again? So you can still use it. You want to erase it, I will just click here and it will disappear. You want to draw, oh sorry, I don't need to click it twice. Do you want to draw a horizontal line for support and resistance? Of course you can. Let's look at a short resistance point here. You see, we just dropped it. You can as well change color. All right, so if you want to, let's assume you enter your trade at this region here. This is an area of support, this is an area of resistance. So you can enter the trade here. You should be leaving here, and if you got broken, it's going up again. You start looking for another area of resistance, another area of resistance, and another area of resistance. So this is how to use this line. If we want to clear it again, I'll just click here and I'll remove it. Then this is a Fibonacci retracement tool, but I'll be doing that on the live section when we'll be talking about Fibonacci retracement and how to use it on the chart. So for now, we are going to leave it. Okay, so the next we have here is the brush. Right, click here. We have the brush, we have the high highlight, we have the right angle, we have the circle, we have the eclipse, we have the path, we have the curve, we have the pull. There's so many here you can use. Let's look at the brush. Let's say I want to just try something on the screen. I can just use it, the brush. So many things you can see. You can also do the changes like I did before. I want to make it white. Do I want to make it black? Do I want to make it yellow? So there's so many you can also do from here. Then this is another tool again, is the pattern that you can also use on the chart. Let's say you want to use head, shoulder. All right, okay, you put in here head, shoulder here. I'm not supposed to use it here, but let's see. I'll drop it here one. You drop it, then you pick again. You drop it, then you pick again. You drop, you pick again. I'm just trying to illustrate. All right, you see. So this is how to use all these tools depending on what you want to do. So we have a left shoulder, we have a head, we have the right shoulder. So this is how you can also use all these. Then this is for positioning. Sorry, let me open it for you. Long position, short position, forecasting, date range, price and price range. You can as well use it for like date and price range. Okay, so let's click on, let's say I want to check from here when market moves from here to here, what was the price and how many days. Can we remove this top here? All right, we can see it takes about 54 bars, 4 days, and 20 hour, and the volume traded within this period is this amount. Then same thing, you want to check the percentage. You can as well click let me remove this first, then come back. You can use check date, check price range, everything you want to forecast. You can as well use it. Then here is like an emoji you can use arrow down, up, side, flag, thumbs up. So many things you want to do. You can as well use, let's say, which one should I pick here? Okay, I pick arrow. I can just drop my arrow here that I want to signify stuff here. I can make it smaller. Sorry, I can change color here as usual. uh let's say I'm pointing down here, maybe I'm teaching and I'm illustrating. I just want to make my users see what I'm showing them. I can use this, or I can also point, okay, this is the key area of place I want to sell when it gets to. So I can use it for anything. You can also go to setting, all right, make it more visible the way you want it. So it's now depending on you to master all this. Let me return back to where this is the last one I used here. Then this is for measure on your chart. This is to zoom in and zoom out. Let's say I click on it now. All right, I can just, okay, I want to zoom from here to here. This is exactly what it means. It's just going to zoom out. So if I want to zoom it back, I click this one. So meaning then this also is to magnet a mood snaps on your chart. If I don't magnet, it's a place. Let's say I want to use it for a trend line, I can just click it. Then what it shows is drawing anchor will be snapped to closest at opening high, lowest close values of near bars. So let's say I want to draw a trend line here and I'm using it. What it's going to do for me is it will be picking, it will help me to draw a perfect line, then showing me the close, opening places of the charts. All right, this is exactly what it does. Okay, I didn't close it. I have to lock it first. Okay, sorry, let me lock this first. Okay, pardon me, I was looking at something else. So you can use this to draw this and it's going to work perfectly, but it's more better to use on the paid version. Like when you're upgraded, you will see it gives you while you are drawing this line, it will show you the opening, the closing, and it gives you a straight illustration of how it should be. It will show you the opening of each of them as you're going and the closing of them while you are going. Then we also have the stay in a drawing mode. Now this is just to okay, to repeat. Let me just click on it. It helps you to repeat your line. Let's say I want to use this now and I dropped it here. Instead of coming back again to be picking it one, I can just be dropping them. So it helped me to repeat my lines the way I want them. Normally I should have come back here, pick it, come back, pick it, come back, but we're using this already. It's just to help me repeat the lines the way, how many times, how many places I want to put them. All right, so this is about this one. To remove them, it have to take me one, but then I can just use here to remove all. All right, I've just removed it. So just know this is just deleting button or a tool that helps you to remove everything that is here. But let's assume I just put all this stuff here and I want to lock it. I can use this one. What means that I cannot move any of this line again. This is it, and I want to move it. It's not going to move. But if I unlock it, I can easily move any of them to any place, right? You can see it, right? So this is what locking has to do for us. I think basically I have shown us everything we need to see on this chart and the basic need for all these tools, like I said. But then you can as well do more research. Then you practice and practice and practice until you get used to them. You can watch this video and over again to help you use them perfectly when you are trading and you are trying to analyze the market. All right, so this is the basics of Tradingview. I want to show you as a crypto trader the things you might be needing, or we see people talking about them. You can easily come down and start using them. And on our remaining courses, we will be using our charts. So once we come to the chart, it's easy for me to come down and pick all these tools to give our analysis. Let's say if I want to talk about Fibonacci retracement, I quickly come down and pick it up here. Let me open it, then I place it, but that is not the topic here, right? So I'll just use it immediately, and I explain what it means and how to calculate the ones that are more important. So sorry for doing this. This is not for this course. All right, so I can easily do all this here, and I will do more better and explain each of those tools when we're using them on our chart. All right, so if you want to draw a trend line, this is where to come. If you want to draw a support and resistance, it's still up here like we've learned before on Atani. All right, so this is basically everything you'll be needing at the basic level on Tradingview. But to further understand it clearer, practice, study more. It will help you as we go. All right, see you on the next course.